Hi, my name is Sumit Lakhotia and welcome to my YouTube channel Nivesh Ka 123, where every Sunday I'll drop a new video where I'll be simplifying personal finance for you. So hit the bell icon, hit the subscribe button and do share this video with all your friends and family members who you think it would be of help. And let's begin today's video. So you all know about SIP, which is Systematic Investment Plan, through which you can invest into mutual funds. But today I'm going to talk to you about Step Up SIP. Now, what is Step Up SIP? Basically, if you're doing your SIP every month, then at a kind of a fixed period, let's assume at the end of every year, you increase the amount of the SIP. Now, why would you do that? See, the aim of investing through SIP is that at the end of a period, you have a good enough amount of money saved up. But over time, inflation happens, which kind of reduces the purchasing power, means reduces the power of the money, that the value of the money that you're accumulating. Also, over time, as you see, when you're working or when you're in a job, you start getting more and more salary. Your lifestyle expenses also increase. You're living better life. You're spending more. So why should your investments also not increase? It's really important to increase the investment also as you go along in life, because that also means that at the end you have a larger amount saved up for yourself. So how does the Step Up SIP work? Okay, what first we'll do is we'll compare it with a normal SIP. So assume you're starting a SIP of 5,000 rupees per month, which you do for 20 years. And every year you're getting a return of 12%. Now what happens at the end of 20 years, you have approximately 50 lakh rupees, a little less than 50 lakh rupees saved up with this format. Now let's talk about the Step Up SIP. What happens with that is same. Let's assume you start with that 5,000 rupee per month SIP, which you do for 20 years, and you are earning the same 12% every year through that SIP. But here is where the Step Up part comes, which means at the end of the first year, you increase your SIP by 10%. That means instead of 5,000, now you will be doing 5,500 per month. Like that, you keep increasing the SIP amount by 10% every year. Now, what's the difference? At the end of 20 years, where earlier with a 5,000 SIP, you were getting 50 lakh rupees. Now, with a Step Up SIP, you will get approximately 1 crore rupees. That means you are saving double what you were doing with a normal SIP. So therefore, it's really important to do a Step Up SIP. You can decide the amount yourself, whether you want it to be 10% Step Up, 15% Step Up. It is totally flexible. You can decide whether you want to do it in January every year, you want to do it in April every year, you want to do it on your birthday, you want to do it on every year when you get your salary increment. That's up to you, but it's very important to do a Step Up SIP. Thank you so much for watching.